Ever pondered about the connection between the amethyst quartz crystal and our chakras? Our bodies are a fascinating network of energy, and within this network there are 7 key points known as chakras. These chakras are like invisible spinning wheels of energy where matter and consciousness meet. They govern our physical and emotional health, and when they're in balance we feel at our best. But when they're not, we can feel out of sorts. One of these 7 chakras is the third eye chakra, located in the middle of the forehead, slightly above the space between the eyes. It's associated with intuition, imagination, and wisdom. When your third eye chakra is balanced, you feel in tune with both the physical world and the material world. But if it's unbalanced, you may feel out of touch, unable to see the bigger picture in life situations. So, where does the amethyst quartz crystal come into play? Well, this captivating gemstone is deeply connected to the third eye chakra. Its vibrant purple hue resonates with the energy frequency of this chakra and is considered one of the most effective crystals for healing it. The amethyst quartz crystal is said to have calming properties that can help open and balance the third eye chakra. By placing this crystal on your forehead, you can tap into its soothing energies, which can help clear any blockages and align your third eye chakra. This process can help to enhance your intuitive abilities, provide clarity and insight, and promote a sense of spiritual awareness and contentment. But it's not just the third eye chakra that benefits from the amethyst quartz crystal. This gemstone is also associated with the crown chakra, the highest chakra, representing our ability to be fully connected spiritually. With its high frequency, the amethyst quartz can help open and stabilize this chakra, promoting a deeper sense of connection to our higher selves and the universe. So the amethyst quartz crystal is not just a beautiful gemstone, it's a powerful tool for our spiritual and emotional well-being. Now, what makes the amethyst quartz crystal so unique and beneficial? Well, let's embark on this exploration together. The amethyst quartz crystal, a majestic gemstone with a captivating purple hue, carries an array of remarkable properties that have been revered since ancient times. Its most notable trait is its calming effect. Imagine a serene lake, untouched and tranquil. That's the kind of peace that the amethyst quartz crystal can bring to your mind. It's like a gentle whisper, calming the storm inside you, allowing you to navigate through life's challenges with grace and serenity. Enhancing this calming effect is the amethyst's role in meditation. Just as a compass guides a ship through the vast ocean, the amethyst quartz crystal can guide your mind through the labyrinth of thoughts during meditation. It aids in quieting the mind, promoting deeper states of relaxation and spiritual awareness. Now let's delve deeper into the spiritual realm. The amethyst quartz crystal is said to enhance intuition. It acts like an inner light, illuminating the path of wisdom and understanding. It helps you tune into your feelings, to trust your inner voice, and to make decisions that align with your higher self. And we can't talk about the amethyst quartz crystal without touching on its role in spiritual growth. It's like a stalwart guide, leading you on your spiritual journey, fostering spiritual awakening and growth. It aids in connecting with your higher consciousness, opening the doors to deeper spiritual experiences. Such profound properties aren't just abstract concepts. They have been recognized and utilized by different cultures around the world, from the ancient Greeks, who believed in its ability to prevent intoxication, to modern-day crystal enthusiasts who use it for its calming and spiritual properties. With such profound properties, it's no wonder the amethyst quartz crystal is cherished by many. Interested in knowing how you can harness the powers of the amethyst quartz crystal in your everyday life? We've arrived at the perfect place to delve into this fascinating topic. Let's kick things off with meditation. The amethyst quartz crystal is a fantastic meditation tool, helping to calm the mind and deepen your connection with your inner self. Simply hold the crystal in your hand or place it in front of you while you meditate. Its energy will enhance your meditative state, opening up pathways to higher states of consciousness. Next, let's talk about using the amethyst quartz crystal in your home. This crystal is known for its ability to transmute negative energy into love. Place it in areas where you spend a significant amount of time, such as your living room or bedroom. It will work tirelessly to cleanse the environment of negative energy, replacing it with a harmonious and uplifting vibration. Not to mention, it makes for a stunning decorative piece with its vibrant purple hue. Now onto the topic of jewelry. Wearing amethyst quartz crystal as jewelry is a powerful way to stay connected to its energy all day long. Whether it's a pendant, a ring, or a bracelet, its energy will constantly be working to balance your emotional state and promote mental clarity. Plus, it's a gorgeous addition to any outfit. It's also worth mentioning that you can place amethyst under your pillow to promote restful sleep and vivid dreams, or use it during your yoga practice to help align your chakras and enhance your spiritual awareness. Always remember to cleanse your amethyst quartz crystal regularly, especially if you're using it for energy work. This can be done by leaving it under moonlight, rinsing it in salt water, or smudging it with sage. Thus, the amethyst quartz crystal can be a potent ally in our journey towards holistic well-being. We hope this journey through the world of the amethyst quartz crystal has been enlightening. We've delved into the fascinating characteristics of this extraordinary gem, from its majestic purple hue to its profound spiritual essence. We've discovered its profound connection with the third eye chakra, a bond that can inspire heightened intuition and spiritual growth. From its physical beauty to its metaphysical properties, the amethyst quartz crystal is more than just a pretty stone. It's a tool for personal development, a catalyst for spiritual awakening, and a constant companion in our quest for clarity and understanding. Whether it's worn as jewelry, placed in your home, or used in meditation, the amethyst quartz crystal can enrich your life in a multitude of ways. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this video helpful, do subscribe and like our channel for more crystal insights. Until next time, stay crystal clear.